Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the Xbox 360 heatsink. I'm replacing it with this one, so hopefully it'll give my GPU better cooling. And I'm also going to show you how to add another fan for more cooling too. Okay, so you want to start by, if you haven't already, taking out the cords. I have mine all wired in here, so I'm just going to set it to the side. I have my SATA cord right here I'm going to take out. So, first thing you gotta do is if you haven't already, you gotta take the brackets off, since I'm using an Xbox one. I already loosened them a little bit, but yeah. Just gotta take these off really quick. Okay, so now that those are off, I'm gonna start by unscrewing the bottom screws. Okay, so these ones right here are my GPU screws, and don't want my screws to fall out, my washers and stuff, so I'm not gonna unscrew them all the way. So because I've already placed them because I got Red Ring of Death. So you can watch that in some other videos, how to replace the X clamps. I'm not gonna show you how to do that today. Okay, I'm gonna grab some tape. I don't know. I'm gonna grab this kind of tape. Just tape these down so they don't fall out. If you're taking your motherboard completely out, you don't have to do this, but I'm not doing that, so you could do it this way. I didn't unscrew that one all the way, so I gotta redo that one. Put it out there. Yeah, okay, we're good. Looks like all the washers stayed in place except this one. Just gotta find those really quick. Alright, so we got the GPU heatsink off. Looks like I got some washers right here. Find the other ones. Up right now. Probably gonna wipe that off a little bit. Got this old shirt to wipe it off with this. Wipe off some of the thermal paste. Probably do a better job than this, but with like a cleaning solution. I don't have any of that right now, so I'm just gonna do it this way. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to grab a tube of Arctic 5 thermal paste. Need to find a little card really quick. Don't really need a lot of the stuff, just a little bit, enough to cover it. Should be good. Be a little too much. Alright. Show you this really quick. Just like that. You got your screws, and you got your thermal paste on there. I'm just using Arctic 5 right there. Okay, so got that on there. Spread it evenly, the card or something. Probably added a little too much here, but it's okay, I can wipe it off. Okay, that should be good. Got a nice even coat on that. Set that in there. I probably don't need that. Okay, set that over here. Alright, now I'm gonna put my heatsink on. Maybe I have to put it this way. Slide it up. That looks good. Okay. So I'm gonna flip it back over. I'm gonna hold the heatsink in place. You gotta just screw your screws back in, and you wanna don't tighten it all the way, else you'll break your heatsink or your GPU. You just wanna tighten it a little bit so it's in there. You just wanna tighten them all just a little bit in a circle. So, hold it in place right now. Okay, got it in place right now. So now I'm going to flip it completely over to remove this tape. Okay. So we're just going to tighten a little bit. Do this corner, this corner, this corner. Go back over this one, this one, this one. You don't want to tighten this too tight. Okay, seems tight. Okay, it's on there pretty good.